step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you, yeah, I got.
Hello guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be doing an extremely motivating speed clean, but it feels so weird to be posting this cleaning video because it feels like forever since I have posted one, which is really weird because that is what this channel is primarily for. But I'm so ready to get back in the groove of things, so give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited to get some motivation, as well as subscribe and tap that notification bell so you do not miss out on upcoming cleaning videos, as well as seeing what my weekly cleaning routine is. And that was actually a suggestion from one of you guys, and I'm really excited to film it.
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. But you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. But you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. But they say I don't know where you come from.
I'm not sure if you guys can tell here, but our wall as well as our cleaning closet door had gotten really dirty, so I was going to wipe those down before vacuuming our staircase and then moving into our living room. But I wanted to let you guys know really quickly that you will not see a video next week because I am giving myself a 1-week break just for my birthday.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed. Blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it
I was
go.
going to really quickly do some vacuuming in my bedroom, but other than that, there really was nothing else to do in here because I try to keep my bedroom as tidy as possible. But I was next going to move on into my bathroom to clean up a little bit, as well as wipe down a few surfaces and do some vacuuming. But I am now realizing I really have almost no deep cleaning motivation on my channel for my bathroom, except for my very first video. So I'm definitely going to try to implement that into some upcoming cleaning video.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
Well, we've almost made it to the end of today's video. I really hope you guys got a lot of motivation just watching this video over. I did find it really motivating, but I was very impressed at the amount of fur and just dirt that we were able to collect in the vacuum. So that was just me showing that there. But here's some last shots of the house once it was all clean. But thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy and got some motivation, and subscribe so you do not miss out on more cleaning videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a few weeks.
You can. Let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head